If your home sometimes looks like a before picture in a cleaning commercial, welcome. You're safe here. Today, I'm sharing 5 things that will keep your home clean without turning you into an exhausted cleaning robot. Rule number 1, the 10-minute reset rule. Every evening, set a timer for 10 minutes. That's it. Not an hour. Not until everything is perfect. Just 10 minutes. During those 10 minutes, move fast. Pick up things, wipe surfaces, throw away trash, put stuff back where it belongs. You'd be shocked how much chaos disappears in 10 minutes. Rule number 2, everything needs a home. If your stuff doesn't have a home, it will live on your table forever. Every item needs a designated place. Keys, a bowl, remote, one specific spot, random charger cables, a box. Clutter isn't about being messy. It's about not deciding where things belong. Be the boss of your stuff. Rule number 3, clean as you go. Yes, even when you're tired. When you cook, clean while waiting. Water boiling, wipe the counter, food in the oven, wash a few dishes. When you shower, quick rinse of the walls. When you brush your teeth, wipe the sink. We are not building mess. We are preventing it. Rule number 4, declutter like you're slightly annoyed. You don't need 47 mugs. You just don't. The more stuff you own, the more stuff you clean. If you want a cleaner home, reduce the amount of things that can get messy. Fewer decorations equals fewer things to dust. Fewer clothes equals less laundry chaos. Fewer random items equals less visual stress. Minimalism doesn't mean empty. It means manageable. Rule number 5, the 1-minute rule. If something takes less than 1 minute to do it immediately. Hang the jacket. Put the cup in the dishwasher. Throw away the receipt. Because what happens? You don't do it. Then it multiplies. 1 cup becomes 5. 1 jacket becomes a chair wardrobe. And suddenly your chair has more outfits than you do. 1 minute now saves you 30 minutes later.